Today, I'm going to show you how to make sourdough bread in the Ooni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer. I was gifted this mixer by Ooni around 6 months ago, and I haven't shared too much about it. I really like to use something before I say that I love it, and that means using it more than once. So while the first time that I used it, I really did love this, I have made a point of testing it multiple times over the last 6 months. In fact, I have used this mixer extensively in the testing for the recipes in my new book. I've used the Ooni Spiral Mixer to make over 100 loaves of sourdough, 50 batches of my sourdough discard bread, 40 batches of my sourdough hot dog rolls. And the thing I love most about this machine is that it can handle a lot of dough. And that's an absolute game changer for me. Having 3 growing and very hungry boys, I love making things in bulk so I can throw a few batches in the freezer for later. I cannot say enough good things about it. So I'm going to show you how to make 3 loaves of sourdough bread in this machine with very minimal hands-on dough. In this video, I'm also going to be using the Ooni scale. We are going to start with 300 grams of our sourdough starter because we are making 3 loaves. We will put the bowl onto the stand mixer. I'm going to set the time for 3 minutes to start with, and then 25%. The dough has mixed for around 3 minutes. You can see that it is very sticky, just like when you would mix by hand and you've just done that initial mix. So this is the fermentalize, where the flour, water, salt, and sourdough starter are all gonna sit now for around 30 minutes to an hour. All right, so we've let the dough fermentalize for around 30 minutes. Now we're going to give it another mix similar to how we did it before. And you'll find that the dough will start to come off the sides of the bowl. So we're going to do it for another 3 minutes at 25%. So we've had the dough sit now for a little bit longer, and what we're going to do is basically, instead of stretching and folding the dough, we're going to mix it again in the Ooni. So we're going to pop the top down, 3 minutes, and I always do 25%. So I'm going to give the dough one more mix in the Ooni, and then we are going to let it bulk ferment. The dough is looking amazing. Our dough has had its final mix in the Ooni. It's looking beautiful. Pop that in the bowl and cover it and let the dough double, and then we'll come back and shape it.